Hi, third grade. Today we're going to wrap up Unit 11 and take the Unit 11 assessment. So let's get ready. Repeat after me. WH, whistle, w. CH, chin, ch. SH, ship, sh. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock, k. TCH, catch, ch. Y, cry, I. Y, baby, e. ALL, ball, all. AM, ham, am. AN, fan, an. Nice work. Okay, we're going to review just a couple words of the day that we've had in Unit 11. The first word I want to review with you is the contraction won't. Say it, won't. And if you need to look at pages 40 and 41 in your student notebook, you can learn how to spell it if you don't remember. W what? O, N, and then what? Apostrophe, right? T. Do you remember the two words that stand for won't? Right, will not. And that one is a complete rule breaker, remember? Because you don't keep the first word the same at all. You make it W-O. Very good. All right, the second contraction is can't. Say it. Can't. How do I spell it? C-A-N apostrophe T. And this one is a tad bit of a rule breaker because what are the original two words? Can, not. But when you write the contraction can't, you only use one N, right? Can, not. Excellent. The last one I want to review with you is we're, the contraction we're. We're going on a field trip soon. W-E, then what? Apostrophe R-E. Do you remember the two words that we're stands for? Right, we are. So you keep the first word the same, replace the A with an apostrophe, and scooch over the R-E for we're. We are. Excellent. All right, now I want you to quickly take out your dry erase board. We're going to play a quick game before we take our Unit 11 assessment. How this game will work is I will give you the two original words, and I want you to only write the contraction. Okay? So, for example, if I say I am, maybe you should write those two original words first, and then you can write the contraction down below. How about it? So go ahead. I am going to work today. What would the contraction be? I'm. Write it down below. And remember, when you're using that pronoun I, it always has to be capitalized. I apostrophe am. Okay, let's try another one, please. Okay. They will. Go ahead and write. They will. And then down below, go ahead and write the contraction on your own. They will go get ice cream. What does it sound like? They'll. Go ahead and write they'll. Keep the first word the same and figure out what you do with will. Okay, let's check. T-H-E-Y for they. Replace the W-I with an apostrophe and keep the L's. Okay, let's just do one more. Your word is, let's do should have. Say it. Should have. You should have been careful on your bicycle. Should have. What does the contraction sound like? Should have, right. Okay, that one follows the rules. Think about what you do when you have as a second word. Should have. All right, how'd you spell should? S-H-O-U-L-D. Remember, the H and A get replaced with an apostrophe and scooch over V-E for should have. Excellent job. All right, now it's time to go ahead and take out your composition book to take our Unit 11 assessment. Please turn to pages 82 and 83. What pages? 82 and 83. Again, that's in your composition book. All right, when you get there, put today's date up at the top, and where it says test for unit number, please put 11. Okay? All right. Sound number 1. O. Say it. O. Use page 20 if you can't see the poster to help you with all 9 things that say O. Please be neat. Go ahead. All right, scooch over to sound number 2. E. Say it. E. And I made a mistake. O only has how many things? 7, sorry. E, though, has 9. Yes, so go ahead for number 2 and write down all 9 things for E. Take your time. 3rd grade. I think I'm losing it. O has how many sounds for number 1? 5. If you use page 20, that will be easy peasy. O has 5 things that say O. E has 9. Very good. And then let's jump down to the next row for sound number 3, which is Say it. Okay, 5 things. Go ahead. Okay, sound number 4 is oo. Say it. Oo. 7 things. Go ahead, be neat. Okay, next section is your sound-alike words. Sound-alike number 1 is it's. Here's the sentence. The dog buried its bone in the yard. It's. Which it's should you be spelling? The dog buried its bone in the yard. Number 2, their. Is this their house? Their. Number 3, their. They're on vacation. Their. And the 4th sound-alike word, there. She was sitting right there. There. Okay, now we're going to move on to the word section. For the words, you're going to write the contraction that I tell you first, and then you're going to write the 2 words from which the contraction was made. So those original 2 words. Okay? Here we go. Number 1, didn't. I didn't finish studying for my test. Didn't. So you're writing didn't equals the 2 original words for number 1. Use page 40 and 41 so you're not guessing. Number 2, they'll. They'll eat lunch at school tomorrow. They'll. Go ahead and write the contraction first. They'll equals the original 2 words. Number 3, I'd. I'd like to go with you. I'd. Contraction first equals the original 2 words. Number 4, should've. You should have tied your shoes so you wouldn't trip. Should've. Contraction first equals the original 2 words. And number 5, won't. I won't forget to sign this, I promise. Won't. Contraction first equals original 2 words. And now let's head over to page 83 for our sentences today. Sentence number 1. You'll see that my brother hasn't been struggling in class this month. I'll repeat it again. You'll see that my brother hasn't been struggling in class this month. Okay, one more time. You'll see that my brother hasn't been struggling in class this month. You'll be getting a point for you'll, hasn't, struggling, and month. So check those 4 words carefully. You'll see that my brother hasn't been struggling in class this month. Check for capitalization, punctuation, and scoop up your sentence, please. All right, sentence number 2. We'd like you to go shopping together. One more time. We'd like you to go shopping together. You're going to get a point for the contraction we'd, shopping, and together. So those 3 words spend some extra time on. We'd like you to go shopping together. Check again for capitalization, punctuation, and scoop it up. All right, third grade, thanks so much for joining. See you next time.